Sa panukalang Universal Social Pension for Senior Citizens, bakit po todo ang suporta ng NCSC para dito at ano po yung pangunahing benepisyo nito para sa ating mga senior citizens?
Well, you know that currently we have the Social Indigency Program, which is being handled by DSWD. And that is mandated by law, of course, na yung walang-wala sa buhay, sila dapat yung susuportahan. However, with an aging population that we have and understanding that there are a lot of loopholes in the giving out of the Social Indigency Program, minabuti ng mga mambabatas natin na magkaroon ng universal social pension, which is cutting across all borders. Meaning to say, may trabaho wala, may pensyon wala, may pinag-aralan wala, may sakit o wala. But you should be able to give, to be provided for. Una. Pangalawa, naniniwala kami na kapag may perang hinahawakan ng ating mga nakatatanda, nakakatulong din sa ekonomiya dahil meron silang panggastos. So everything, just goes back in a cycle in terms of building that economic ecosystem natin.